Hey everyone, we are Instant Health USA, and in today's video, we're bringing you Medicare 101, a basic guide for beginners. Have you ever wondered how Medicare works and what it covers? Well, wonder no more. We've put together a comprehensive guide to help you understand the fundamental concepts of this essential health insurance program. Medicare consists of four main parts: Part A, Part B, Part C, and Part D. Let's break them down to give you a clear understanding of what each part covers. Part A, also known as hospital insurance, provides coverage for inpatient hospital stays, skilled nursing facility care, hospice care, and some home health services. It ensures that you have the necessary coverage for hospitalization and post-hospitalization care. Moving on to Part B, which is medical insurance. This part covers services like doctor visits, outpatient care, preventive services, and durable medical equipment. It's designed to meet your medical needs outside of the hospital, ensuring you have access to necessary healthcare services. Now let's talk about Part C, also known as Medicare Advantage. This part combines the benefits of Part A, Part B, and often includes prescription drug coverage Part D as well. Medicare Advantage plans are offered by private insurance companies approved by Medicare. They provide all-in-one coverage, often with added benefits like dental, vision, and hearing services. Lastly, we have Part D, which stands for prescription drug coverage. This part helps you with the costs of prescription medications. It's important to have this coverage to ensure you can afford the necessary medications for your health conditions. Our comprehensive guide goes into more detail about each part of Medicare, providing you with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions. Whether you're looking for hospital coverage, outpatient services, a comprehensive plan, or prescription drug coverage, we've got you covered. To access our Medicare 101 guide and get a detailed breakdown of each part of Medicare, click the link in the description below. Remember, this valuable resource is brought to you by Instant Health USA, your trusted partner in healthcare information. That's it for today's video, folks. We hope you found this Medicare 101 guide helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more healthcare tips and resources.